ഏവർക്കും വിൻ എക്സാം ഫ്രണ്ടിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. ജൂനിയർ കോപ്പറേറ്റീവ് ഇൻസ്പെക്ടർ എക്സാമിന് ചോദിക്കാവുന്ന 25 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ നോക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത്. ചോദ്യം നോക്കാം. എ ഡിസിഷൻ ഓൺ ആൻ അപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ ഫോർ മെമ്പർഷിപ്പ് ഷാൽ ബി taken within dash from the date of receipt of the application. Answer: 2 months. Next question. The first general body of a society shall be convened within dash from the date of registration. Answer: 3 months. Next question. The first committee formed for registration of a society is dash committee. Answer: Promoters Committee. Fourth question. No society shall admit members within dash prior to the date of election or date of the general body meeting. Answer: 60 days. Next question. The election commission shall appoint presiding officer within dash from the date of receipt of request to conduct election. Answer: 7 days. Next question. The secretary shall preserve the used and unused ballot papers for dash from the date of announcement of result of election. Answer: 3 months. Next question. The issue of identity card shall be stopped before dash days prior to the date of poll. Answer: 2 days. Next question. The electoral officer shall publish the final voters list within dash days prior to the date fixed for the poll. Answer: 20 days. Next question. Application for registration of a society to be submitted in form number dash. Answer: form number 1. Next question. The first general body meeting shall be convened by the dash. Answer: chief promoter. Next question. Cooperative societies in Kerala are registered as per section dash of KCS Act 1969. Answer: section 7. Next. Minimum number of persons required for registering a cooperative society is dash members from different families. Answer: 25. Next question. The resolution shall be forwarded to the registrar within dash of the date of the general body meeting at which bylaw amendment was passed. Answer: 1 month. The registrar refuses to register an amendment of the bylaws of a society shall communicate the order of refusal within dash of the order. Answer: 7 days. Next. An application to register an amendment of the bylaws of a society shall be disposed of by the registrar within dash from the date of receipt. Answer: 90 days. Next, final voters list in form number dash. Answer, form number 35. Next question. The State Cooperative Election Commission shall be appointed by dash. Answer, government. Next, dash shall make necessary arrangements for the printing of ballot papers for election. Answer, electoral officer. Next question. The government or any other authority shall have the right to nominate or to the committee of an assisted apex or central society. Answer, not more than 2 persons. Next question. The education fund shall be remitted to the credit of Cooperative Education Fund in the KSCB within dash months of the date of audit certificate. Answer, 2 months. Next question. The sum allocated shall be remitted to the credit of Member Relief Fund maintained by the Registrar in the KSCB within dash months from the date of receipt of audit certificate. Answer, 2 months. Dash percent of the net profit shall be transferred to Professional Education Fund maintained by the Registrar. Answer, 5%. Next, dash shall be the authority competent to prepare and maintain a list or panel of auditors and auditing firms. Answer, Director of Cooperative Audit. Next question. The DCA shall be under the control of dash. Answer, Registrar. Last question. Non-monetary disputes are to be filed before the dash and monetary disputes are to be filed before the dash. Answer, Cooperative Arbitration Court. Second answer, Registrar. ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ ഒന്നും വിടാതെ ആവർത്തിച്ച് പഠിക്കുക. പഠിച്ച കാര്യങ്ങൾ എല്ലാം ഒന്നുകൂടി നോക്കാൻ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കണം. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ചോദ്യം കാണുമ്പോൾ കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ വരും. ചാനൽ ഇഷ്ടമായെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക.